me to be responsible.
She taught me the value of prioritizing my family.
She inspired me to teach.
She teach me a lot of things that made me a better person.
She's not just a teacher.
A dedicated co-worker.
A true friend.
My mother, our teacher, our heroes.